Alright, we're here for the lawnmower race of the century with the Mighty Mary versus the Jolly John Deere, driven by Sam. At the Murray, we're looking at a wrecked starter and a 12 horsepower engine that has been sitting for years. With the John Deere, brand new, 19 horsepower with no transmission. Let's get this started.
Yeah, can I not just stand? The 12 horsepower lawnmower, the 19 horsepower lawnmower, the 500 horsepower Stang.
I don't think it's generating quite 500 though, Rard.
Huh?
I don't think it's generating 500 though, honestly.
Yeah, it is.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Take it to a dyno and I guess we'll see. All right, Sam, start it, turn it around and park. And don't kill yourself. All right, stop. Good enough. Turn it off. Actually, you can leave it running. All right. As soon as I line up, we go. Damn it. Oh God! All right. Just go straight when you start, otherwise you're gonna kill me. 3, 2, 1, go! Yes. Come on, Mighty Mo. Come on. Come on then. He's gaining on us. At the apex. Oh God. He's going for an overtake. Bloody hell. We got a hill climb. Come on, Betsy. Yeah. Come on. Yes. 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 Victory! Woo! Woo! Hey, I won! I'm the one that should be doing victory circles. Wait. That means I get your tractor, right? Since I win, I get yours? Alright, round 2 is going to be a tractor pull. I currently have to line up the Murray. All right, Sam, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Stop, stop, stop. I did.